We like to think we're in charge of our own bodies, but the truth is, your body has a long list of creepy survival hacks it can activate without your permission. Most of them are weird, some are terrifying, and all of them remind you that your body is basically a haunted house with organs. Here are the creepiest tricks your body uses to keep you alive, whether you want it to or not. Sometimes when your body senses extreme pain, shock, or even the sight of blood, it decides the best option is to shut down completely. Your blood pressure and heart rate drop, and you collapse like a puppet with its strings cut. The theory is that this once tricked predators into thinking you were already dead. Today, it mostly tricks your friends into calling an ambulance while you wake up on the floor wondering what century it is. In moments of extreme danger, your body reroutes blood away from your skin and toward vital organs. Great for survival, bad for your appearance. That's why you go pale when you're terrified. Your body is literally abandoning your skin to save your guts. The downside? Less blood in your extremities also means your hands shake, your fine motor skills vanish, and holding onto your phone feels like wrestling an eel. Survival? Yes. Dignity? Number. Your body can literally switch off pain in life or death moments. Soldiers with massive injuries have been known to keep fighting because their nervous system just stopped reporting the agony. It's the biological equivalent of hitting mute on suffering. The creepy part? The pain isn't gone, it's just waiting. Hours later, once you're safe, it comes roaring back with interest like overdue rent. Everyone knows about fight or flight. But there's a third option: freeze. In extreme fear, your body locks you in place, hoping predators will ignore you. Congratulations! You've been reduced to a very nervous statue. For animals in the wild, this sometimes works. For humans, it usually means you stood frozen in place while your brain screamed, "Run!" and your body answered, "Nah, let's cosplay as furniture." In emergencies, your brain can take over and perform complex tasks without conscious thought. People have driven cars, swum to safety, or fought off attackers with no memory of doing it. This sounds heroic until you realize it means your conscious self isn't actually required. Your body just puppeteers you around like a weekend substitute driver. Creepy proof that you're not really the one at the wheel. There are real cases of parents lifting cars off trapped children thanks to adrenaline surges. Your muscles normally operate with built-in governors to stop you from tearing yourself apart. In emergencies, your body removes those limiters. Yes, you can lift insane weights for a brief moment. No, your tendons and joints won't thank you later. The superpower often leaves behind shredded muscles, ripped ligaments, and the sudden realization you're basically the Hulk with hospital bills. Even if you're unconscious, your body will sometimes fight to survive underwater. It can seal your airway, slow your heart, and shunt blood to your brain in a desperate attempt to buy time. This is called the mammalian dive reflex, and it's strongest in children. It's why some people have been revived after being underwater for absurdly long periods. Creepy side note: your body is better at surviving drowning than it is at surviving stairs. In the most extreme trauma, your body can force itself into a state of irreversible shock, essentially pulling the plug to save energy for vital organs. In some rare cases, people appear dead. No heartbeat, no breathing, only to be revived later. It's as if your body is rehearsing death to see if it helps. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Either way, the decision wasn't yours. So the next time you think you're in control, remember, your body has its own creepy playbook. It can faint, freeze, or even make you superhuman, all without asking. You're basically along for the ride in a very glitchy survival machine. That's all for today. I'll be making similar videos in the future. Subscribe to see them.